Have you ever noticed that some of the applications has disappeared on your Android phone? Maybe you accidentally have put them in your hidden folder. So here's how to find your hidden apps on your Android phone, and watch till the end because I'll share a valuable life hack with you. So first of all, open up your settings. After that, you gotta scroll down to your home screen. Open up your home screen. Here, locate your hide apps on home and app screens. Open this tab, and here you'll see your hidden apps. So if you want to unhide some app, simply tap on the minus and press done. Now this application is gonna be back and it's available. If you want to add it again, press hide apps, choose application, press done. And as you see, the application is gone. And basically that's it. It's very easy and very effective. And here's a little tip. If you want to hide some applications which you're not using constantly, but you don't want to do all of that, you can simply add them to one of the folders. You can create a folder, and basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.